Hi everyone, my name is Vetri Oto and I'm a cake designer, the CEO of Classic Cakes Nigeria. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I share videos on cakes, cake business, side hustle for bakers. I also share videos on how to create digital products and how you can leverage technology as a baker to promote your cake business. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification button so that when I post new videos, you'll be informed. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you top 7 side hustles for bakers or cake designers. A side hustle is simply any activity that you carry out different from a normal day job that brings in more money. Most times bakers complain they don't have orders coming in, they don't have money coming in. These side hustles will actually help you as a baker to be busy and even make more money while waiting for those cake orders to come. And the great thing about these business ideas I'm going to share with you is that it complements the cake business. Most of these side hustles I'll be sharing with you today are businesses or services that your customers actually require. Number 1 is meat pie. Meat pie is simply a baked pie with meat filling, and most times customers tend to order for meat pies along with your cakes. In fact, there are some events that customers even tend to order meat pie instead of cakes. So you just have to inform your customers, I bake meat pie, and you have orders coming in. Meat pie is so simple that you can learn it online, and the basic ingredients for meat pie is flour, your butter, salt, spices, minced meat, which is grounded meat. The good thing about meat pie is that it's filling when you eat it. So most times for events, customers tend to order for meat pie. There are other snacks also you can learn how to bake, like chicken pie, your scotch egg, your fish pie, and you have customers rolling in orders. Go to YouTube, learn how to bake meat pie. Or you could pay someone, a baker, to teach you how to bake meat pie and tell customers that you now bake meat pie. So this is a great avenue to make money as a baker or as a cake designer. The second side hustle I want to let you know about today is small chops or finger foods, and it includes your samosa, spring rolls, meatballs, peppered gizzard, chicken chops, plantain balls. A lot of little finger foods people can eat, munch in occasions. In fact, most occasions that don't even have cakes in them, most often have small chops, and these small chops are accompanied with, sauces. So learn how to make small chops, and you have lots of orders coming. You can make a lot of money from small chops, because most times I have customers asking me, do you know how to make chops, when they order for their cakes. The third side hustle I want to discuss today is your smoothies, parfait, and fruit juices. In fact, there's high demand for smoothies. There are different kinds of smoothies. You can get recipes online. There are cake parfait, fruit parfait. There are several fruit juices you can offer as complementary to your cakes. So most times customers tend to want smoothies, maybe they want desserts. They have great desserts and you can serve them with your cakes. So just let your customers know that you make smoothies, that you make parfait and fruit juice, and you have a lot of orders. The fourth side hustle is sugar flowers. Learn how to make sugar flowers and offer it to other bakers for sale. Okay, you can sell sugar flowers because of how demanding and tasking it is to make sugar flowers. Most bakers tend to outsource sugar flowers, so you can learn how to make sugar flowers and inform other bakers and sell sugar flowers to them, and you make a lot of money just selling sugar flowers. The fifth side hustle is event decoration. You can learn how to decorate events. Most times your clients would always require people that will decorate their events centers, people that will decorate their tables, and also the places where they intend to snap pictures. So offer this as a service and you have customers coming to you. Just inform your clients, inform people that you do decoration. People will gladly pay you for it. Sixth side hustle is photography. Do you love to take pictures? Now is the time to convert it to a side hustle and make money from it. You can offer photography services to you can offer home service, you can go to the event centers and snap pictures and earn from it. You can make money snapping pictures, especially when you have a desire or passion to snap pictures. And most times, clients that bake cakes also want or require photography services. The seventh side hustle I would want to teach you today is training. Offer training services to clients. There are lots of people that want to learn what you do, baking, that want to learn what you know. Why not offer training services and make money from there? You can actually make a lot of money offering training services to clients. If these tips were helpful to you, kindly like, share and comment. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification button so that when I post new videos, you'll be informed. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.